Today it's Super Toy Kid, and today we're opening a Lego Dimensions.
So,
This
is the PS3.
Yes, right.
And of course, this is the starter kit, right? Here's the ones that are coming out.
And in this pack, you can get Batman, Violet Style, and
Okay.
I didn't know the last guy.
Gandalf.
Gandalf,
From Lord of the
Batman,
Rings.
and
Okay.
Violet Style.
So why don't you pull it out?
Okay. Ooh. This looks nice.
So there's more in here.
Whoa!
What is that?
It's the Lego pack thing. And then what's this? Oh, I found the game.
Oh, is it the portal? Portal.
Okay.
Lego Dimension.
Alright, let me show it to you.
Okay. Show it off. I'll get this other piece opened up.
Okay.
That's the
then
portal base.
This is a map.
Let's
Oh.
show the portal
Ooh.
base.
This
Is it a
is
poster?
this is shows you what characters you get. This is a whole map. Whoa.
Whoa.
So it says all the people that. So this is DC.
Let's turn it over so that you have it on the English side. There you go.
So DC Comics.
Yeah.
Cyborg, Aquaman, Wonder Woman, Superman, Joker, and Harley Quinn. Wonder Woman, Bane. Lego Movie. Emmett, Bad Business. Backup, Benny, White, and Unikitty. And then the Wizard. We have a witch.
Your head's in the
and,
way, honey.
No, he's fine.
Oh, okay.
It's the
And a
Wizard of
bird.
Oz, yeah, the witch, and a monkey.
and then the Lord of the Rings.
You get Legolas, Gollum, and Gimli.
And
That's
then
Back to the Future.
Back
you
to-
get Doc Brown and Marty McFly.
Scooby-Doo. You get Scooby-Doo and
Shaggy.
Shaggy. And then
And that one's
Portal.
called, yeah, Portal. Don't know who those people are. And you
The
got
Simpsons.
You get
Dra-
Krusty, Bart, Homer.
And Jurassic World, you can get Owen, the Still Guy, and a Velociraptor.
Nice.
And Ninjago. The silver ninja, the blue ninja, the gold, the master, red, black, a little girl, the girl in the movie, and she gets a big robot. Doctor Who.
Yep.
You get this little robot guy
Mm-hmm.
and him. Chima, you could get this bird guy, this alligator, and this lion. Ghostbusters, you could get
There's Marshmallow Man, Peter, and Slimer. And then
And
finally Midway Arcade, and I don't know who that is.
Okay. So we want to open the other parts now?
Why don't we switch that to a second video?
Well, hold
These
on.
are all the
This-
pieces.
This is everything in the box?
Mm-hmm. This is
Alright.
everything that comes in the box.
So you get the game, poster.
and I'll get
This was the portal,
Mm-hmm. That's the pieces so that you can build it.
and then this is the portal.
This
I
is
can
the
build
base.
this.
Yeah, we're going to do that next. Okay, so the video's not too long.
Yep.
That is...
Ooh, it even tells you the people right here too.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you say?
Bye, Super Toy Kid.